Hi all, today we are introducing DaTo electric hydraulic lift. Today we will go forward to the procedures regarding the lifting. So this is the switch. Here we can have the emergency stop and the up arrow and the down arrow. By using the up arrow we can lift the lift. So as you can see the lift is going up. Clicking onto the up arrow the lift is going up. So we can lift the load up till 1200 kg on the pad, and see we have a down arrow so that the lift is going down, and we also have an emergency switch to cancel the operation. So now it doesn't move since the emergency switch is clicked on. So after pressing it, releasing it, we can move downwards again. This is the basic procedures for the electric lift.